SUV buying made easy. Success starts with Chapman Ford Lincoln Mercury Mazda. With our 5-day money-back guarantee you can buy this Ford Edge with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery. Looking for an amazing value on a superb 2012 Ford Edge? Well, this is it. This terrific Ford is one of the most sought-after used vehicles on the market because it never lets owners down.